Creating a JSON response using Django and Python. I'm trying to convert a server-side AJAX response script into a Django response, but apparently it's not working. This is the server-side script. And this is the converted code. I'm using JSON to encode the Python list, so it will return a JSON array. I couldn't figure out the problem yet, but I think that I did something wrong about the echo.
I usually use a dictionary, not a list to return JSON content. Pre-Django 1.7 you'd return it like this. For Django 1.7 plus, use JSON response as shown in this, so answer like so.
New in Django 1.7. You could use JSON response objects from the docs.
I use this, it works fine. Alternative. In Django 1.7 JSON response objects have been added to the Django framework itself, which makes this task even easier.
Since Django 1.7 you have a standard JSON response that's exactly what you need. You don't even need to JSON.dump your array.